Hi, welcome back. This is Mr. T. This is part two of our logarithm tutorial. The first one took longer than 5 minutes. In the first tutorial, we simplified some logarithms using this property up here. In the second part of the tutorial, we did expanding the logarithms, taking complicated expressions and breaking them up. And now the final step is called condensing logarithms, where we will be starting with multiple simpler logarithms added or subtracted together, and we want to condense those into a single logarithm. For this expression, I've used what's called the natural logarithm, or sometimes pronounced ln. Ln of x is an abbreviation for log base e of x. E, remember, is the natural number, so that's where this n comes from. So anytime we are using, say, a property to simplify a number, we need to remember that ln is a log of base e. I know some of you have been having some difficulty in understanding that these are the same. This is like a nickname. So this is the formal full name, and this is the nickname. The properties up here, since these are log b, apply to log e. So just to simplify writing in this example tutorial, I've used the ln. So we're going to work left to right on this. Well, actually, first thing we always want to do is if we have a multiplier, we want to turn that into an exponent. So using this property here, that n becomes an exponent. So let's rewrite step by step here. So ln of 20 plus ln of 1/2 squared plus ln of x. Now if we don't have any parentheses and we're doing addition and subtraction, we want to work left to right. So using this plus here, we can use the top property and turn it into m times n. So now we have ln of 20 times 1/2 squared plus the ln of x. Now instead of copying this over and over, we might want to calculate this. 1/2 squared is 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4, and 1/4 times 20 is 5. So let me simplify this to be the ln of 5. And our final step again is another plus here, which is this top property. So we can turn this into the ln of 5x. Again, if we picked a number for x and calculated our original expression and got a decimal number and calculated putting that same value in for x here, the two values would be identical. Okay, over here we said again we want to handle the exponents first. So we have here ln of 14 squared plus ln of x cubed minus ln of 7. We'll simplify this later. Now we work left to right, so we go left to right because there were no parentheses to group. So here we have an addition which turns into multiplication. So we have ln of 14 squared times x cubed. That's minus ln of 7. We could put this in parentheses here. Now we have the subtraction, which becomes division. So we have ln. On the top we've got 14 squared x cubed, and on the bottom we have 7. Now remember, 14 squared means 14 times 14 times x cubed over 7. Now I was doing this because I can cancel that 7 here with one of those 14s. So now I have 2 times 14, which is 28. So our final answer here is ln of 28 x cubed and over 7, which was 1. So this is our final answer right here. Hope this helps. Have a good day.